My Traffic Partners is a new website. My sponsor introduced this to me, so I went ahead and just signed up. Now, this program is not available at this time, so if you're here doing some research, looking for more information, what I wanted to do is just give you a quick view of the back office. So first of all, this is the lead capture page. So if anyone decides to participate in this program during pre-launch, you'll get a site just like this. Matter of fact, you'll find my link below this video in the description and in the comment section. And the back office right now looks like this. So once you sign in, there's not much of a members area. You'll see a video here by the owner, Frank Salinas, and you'll see your website address down here under the main URL and some other things like some different ad copy that you can use to send out email blasts or solo ads and such. But one thing I wanted to say is, in the meantime, while you're doing this program, if you're still looking for traffic, YouTube is some of the best traffic that you can get for your online business. I'm guessing that a lot of people who are going to come looking at the My Traffic Partners are involved in other online marketing opportunities. So if you've never seen my channel before, make sure you stop by. I'll leave the link below. It's Kendall Johnson Coaching. And in the past few days, I put some really cool videos there talking about YouTube marketing. And I also have some videos here where you'll see I made $3,000 in 1 week a couple of weeks ago, $4,000 in a 2-week period. So I think that if you're looking for traffic, I have some good stuff that you might be interested. So if you're looking for someone else to partner up with because you're looking for traffic, be sure to reach out to me. Either leave a comment in this video below, or you can go right ahead, give me a call. I'll also have my information below and be sure to get you up to speed. Like I said, if you need any training, if you're looking for information about how to get leads and that sort of stuff, you can browse by the channel. But if you're somebody who really is looking to take action today and you don't want to wait for My Traffic Partners to start, I can put you on the right path to getting traffic from YouTube. Best traffic, bar none. It's unlimited. It's not limited to a small list. You can get fresh traffic and leads every single day of the year. All right, with that being said, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.